Came inside for a second and it just started plowing again. I mean bad, people. Uh-oh. Holy cow! That one just fell?
Yeah.
Alright, this is really bad. Oh shoot! No way! Ow! The winds are wreaking havoc in the Ohio Valley. Got power out in the neighborhood. Here it comes. Here comes another gust.
High winds across the area. Winds gusting in excess of 50 miles an hour will continue across the area through 6 p.m.
They're calling for tornadoes.
I know, but it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that stuff flapping around in it?
Holy cow! Whoa! Hang in there, man. Please don't fall. The trees are starting to wear out a little. Holy cow. Oh, that hit me.
Power to watch the Bengals, we got to do it on the radio.
Yeah.
We got a tree on our house. Do you? How big is it?
Big.
Big.
Like half a tree kind of.
Really?
What's that devil? What's that they're talking?
That's in your yard, man.
That's not our tree though, that's theirs.
Okay.
Whoa! That was awesome! Oh.
Dude. Dude, watch out! Get out of the way! Whoa! Holy cow!
Oh, that hurts. It's rough. My girl's first rod. We didn't want anything off my tree.
Stay away from the trees, man.
Yeah, it fell on top of me. See that?
Ooh!
Yeah, stay from the tree.
Dude, you stay away from the big trees, okay?
Yeah.
Holy cow! There's another one that just fell down right next to us. Let's go get some footage to see what's going on. We've got major catastrophe damage down, trees cracking and falling all around. That is a serious leader. Holy cow! Where? Ooh, we got power lines down right here, y'all. Those lines. Look at those lines, dog. You're gonna have to pull off.
Whoa.
Yeah, pull. We got power lines doing a serious dance. Whipping it. This Hurricane Ike was no joke, right? The winds are blowing, as you can see. It's pretty gnarly out here in the Ohio Valley. Getting the damage here in Carlisle, the home of the Indians, are taking a battering. We got serious damage right here, folks. We got them waving. Whoa, baby! Ow. Something just hit me in the head. Holy cow! the road, dude.
Oh,
I didn't even know. I
didn't either, dog.
Holy cow.
Man.
I didn't see anything.
I love pines. Oh, you can smell them. You get a little close to this one. Holy cow, will you look at this thing down in the middle of the road. This storm has come through, and they say we haven't got the worst of it yet. What we got here, man? What's your name?
John Shepard.
Did you hear that tree come down, man?
Yeah, it sounded like Mike could go down there.
People, there's wind like you would not believe.
Here are the 4 p.m. weather conditions at the Dayton International Airport. Under cloudy skies, the temperature was 83 degrees and the relative humidity 47%. The wind southwest at 49 miles an hour, gusting to 63.
The winds aren't dying down. It's supposed to go to 9 o'clock. It's like maybe 5:36. This is a bad deal, y'all. Hang in there and buckle down. We'll make it.
3.
You got 3 trees down?
Got 2 in the back.
Wow. What do you think about that?
And that's I can do.
That's right.
The wind southwest at 49 miles an hour, gusting to 63. The barometer.
Okay, the winds died down now, and you know what? Hey, it's clean up. 650,000 people are out of power in Dayton and Ohio and Cincinnati and the whole area. It's going to be that way for 2 or 3 days. You got to figure out what are you going to do now, right? So I guess the first thing you do is build a fire, because there is no electricity. We're getting back to the good old days now.
Fire!
Yeah. Look at the fire.
Hey, people! Hey, people!
2 or 3 days, no electricity here in the Ohio Valley. We'll build a fire. We're making it happen. Been out here. This guy gets the last bag of ice. You can't find ice anywhere or a generator. There's not a generator anywhere in this area. No power, no lights, no water, no nothing here in the Ohio Valley. See ya. This is fun. It's like camping out, right? Say awesome.
Awesome!
Wednesday the 17th, what, 3 or 4 days into this thing, we're still trying to make it happen. Right here, they've got water distribution at the city building here in Carlisle. People are just coming up and filling up their tanks. And hey, what's up? You need some water, don't you? Yeah.
Hang on, let me check on that for you.
Thank you.
The community pulling together, making it happen here at the city building. Let's drink some water. We need some ice. Anybody got some ice?
I'm Humphreys, your city mayor. At this time, we're going through a little bit of inconvenience here in Carlisle. We've been without electric since Sunday, somewhere around about 2 o'clock. Had some 60-mile-an-hour winds. We've been offering water down at the Roscoe Roof Park and at the city building. The administration of Carlisle has stepped up. Our crew, our staff, everybody, all of our administrators, fire chief, police chief, everybody's chipping in. Took brush from everybody up until today, and as far as today goes, it is required for you to have a valid license from the community of Carlisle. It's a great time to be a part of a community like Carlisle right now, because everybody is just joined up. It's an inconvenience, and everybody's making the best of it.
Okay, appreciate it. We're talking with Tim Humphreys, mayor of Carlisle. Fantastic job. We appreciate you. We'll see you around town.
All right, take care, and thanks everybody for your support.
And where does it all go? Well, Carlisle's provided a place where you can bring your brush and drop it off. 2, 3, 4, 5 days, it's been non-stop trucks coming in. You can see this is a massive pile now.
My name's Dave. Storm came through, wiped out had a 60-foot pine tree in the front yard.
And this is the last of the pine tree, huh?
No, I still got another side to go.
Another side to go.
Yes.
Okay. Having fun yet?
Yeah, staying busy.